How to use Loom. Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Loom for free. Loom is a video messaging tool that helps you get your message across through instantly shareable videos. Loom, you can record your camera, microphone and desktop. So let's get started. For using Loom, first go to your browser and type loom.com, and then here we are on the home page of Loom. So for now, just get Loom for free. And here we have multiple options of signing in, so choose which suits you best and then agree to the terms and conditions of Loom. After that, it will ask you why are you using Loom, and if you are using for work, for education or for personal project. Right now I am choosing personal project. You can choose Loom for work. If you are using it for work, then you have to select your business type like sales, design, product, marketing, engineering, etc. Right now I am choosing it for my personal project. And then we have to name our workspace. So name your workspace as per your organization or maybe your team's name, just whatever you like. After that, we have to add the email address of the people or our teammates we say that we are about to add in our Loom that can view the videos we record. So we have to enter the email address over here, and here we have to choose between the admin, creator or creator lite. If you choose admin, you can manage workspace and record unlimited videos, and if you choose creator, then you can just record unlimited videos, and if you choose creator lite, then you can record up to 25 videos and you have limit of 5 minutes each. So right now I am just choosing this admin tab page. And if you don't want to invite anyone to your Loom for now, then you can just skip this option. Loom has its own Chrome extension and a desktop app. If you want to use it in a web app, then you can download an extension, or you want to use it as a desktop app, then you can download it too. And if you don't want any of it, then just skip it for now and click on start recording. As I told you guys before that Loom has its own Chrome extension, so I have installed that extension, and here we are in the Loom library. So in Loom library, all of your recorded videos will appear here, and you can always record a video and upload a video from here. And also one thing to share, that you can also upload a video from your device into your Loom apart from just recording a video. And here we have our home where we can add our teammates and we'll be able to collaborate them from here. After that, we have notifications here. We can see what our teammates commented or reacted on our video from here. And then we have our history. This one is useful after you have recorded a video. From here you can view which teammate has viewed your video and which teammate. And then we have our setting over here, and we have personal and workspace setting. In personal, we have settings like account settings and integration, etc. And in workspace, we can add or remove any teammates from our workspace. We can change the name of our workspace, and we can also add a logo to our workspace. Okay, so now we are recording a Loom, our first Loom. I'm gonna show you how to record a Loom. So just go to library and click on record a Loom, and this will pop up, and we have multiple options for recording like screen and camera, screen only and camera only. Right now I am choosing screen only, and we have two options, full desktop or current tab. So I am choosing full desktop for now. And we also have some extra creator tools like canvas and add blur effect. And one thing to remember, that to check your microphone before you start recording. Right now it's muted for the video purpose, but remember to check your microphone that it is connected or not before you start recording your Loom. One thing to notice that even if I have choose screen only, then still this my profile photo is appear, so I can resize it or maybe I can move it around, but I would prefer it in the small size for the better user experience. So let's start recording. And here we have option of recording the entire screen or just a window and a Chrome tab. Right now I am choosing this window for us to record. And our recording has been started, and from here we can blur the content, like if you don't want to show that particular content, you can blur it from here. We can restart the video, pause the video, or maybe delete the whole video. So after you are done with recording the video, finish it from here. And so after we are done with our recording, we are here on our video and we can edit it from here, like we can review transcript, we can do many other video settings, trim and add clip, call to action, and we can change thumbnail, like so we just have to drag and drop our thumbnail and it will appear on our video. And we can also change the playback speed of our video from here. Once we are done with editing our video, just click on share and add the Gmail address of your teammates that you wanna add this video, or maybe if you want, then you turn this on and this video will be shared with all your workspace and every teammate in your workspace can view this. And also you can copy this link from here and paste it into your Facebook or Instagram or any other platform like that. So here we have our video in workspace library, and from here we can see how many views it have or how many comments and how many reactions. And from here we can share it anywhere, rename it, move to any folder and download it in our device and delete it anytime you want. So I guess this is it. That's all you wanted to know about Loom. And Loom is a very good tool to make screen recording. It's very easy to record a video on Loom and it uploads automatically the video without the command from the maker. So hope you guys find this helpful. Thanks for watching my video and I'll surely catch you up in the next one.